Axeris is developing the first artificial retina based on an autonomous electronic neuron in order to improve the vision of people suffering from retinal diseases. How the retina works. Light goes through layers of transparent neurons, then activates light-sensitive cells called cones and rods. They convert the light into an electric signal that propagates up to the brain through the optic nerve. The most common retinal disease is age-related macular degeneration, AMD. It affects 1 in 10 people over 60 years of age. The patient undergoes a distortion and later a loss of their central vision. They progressively lose the ability to read or recognize faces. At the cellular level, the degeneration of rods and cones, also called photoreceptors, is responsible for vision loss in AMD. The retina becomes unable to convert light into an electrical signal. Axeris's artificial retina is to be inserted under the retina and replaces the degenerated photoreceptors. Ambient light provides sufficient energy via photovoltaic effect to activate electronic neurons that will themselves activate the biological retina's own neurons. Consequently, the patient recovers their vision with a fully autonomous implant. The artificial neuron is the critical building block of our artificial retina. Axeris's technology is based on a patented artificial neuron invented by a research team at CNRS. This highly sensitive electronic circuit is able to listen to biological neurons. It can also mimic a biological signal and thus stimulate living neurons. It uses 1,000 times less power than a biological neuron and is up to 10 times smaller. This circuit can today be produced in mass quantities. We are already using industrial manufacturing processes. Axeris aims to use the electronic neuron to develop a wide range of medical implants.